Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change keybinds in FreeCAD. So if you want to change shortcuts, you need to create an empty file, and after that we need to create a simple body. So I go to create body, I go to create sketch, and I select here XY plane. After that I click OK button to finish this task, and for example I will select maybe this one option to create a circle. So I select here create circle by center, and I create here simple circle with these dimensions. Now I click somewhere here and I click close to finish this task. Then I select here create body and I click OK button to finish this task. Okay, so now we have created here a simple body. So if we want to change the keybinds, we need to go to tools, and here we need to select customize. Now we need to open keyboard tab, and here you can find categories and the commands and shortcuts for these commands. If you want, you can change the category, for example, from the file to edit, view, or any other category. So for example, I select here edit, and maybe I will scroll down, and for example, maybe I will add a shortcut for transform operation. So I click on transform, and how you see current shortcut is set to none. If you want to set a new shortcut, we need to press on this one field, and after that we need to press a keyboard shortcut. For example, I type here Ctrl L, then I need to click assign button to assign it to this action, and how you see it is displayed here. So if we want to save the changes, we need to click close button. So now you can select this object and use shortcut Ctrl L to transform it. And how you see it really works, yes? So if I helped you to change shortcuts in FreeCAD, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.